What he does and why he does it is what surprises people every time he slaps his cow. You've probably already seen the videos on social media, and every time he posts, everyone wonders what he's doing and especially why he's hitting his cows. The reality is that he does it because he actually cares about them. Just like us, cows don't like getting big syringes stuck into their skin. So the farmer gives them a few slaps to calm them down and make them drop their guard. Then he can inject the medicine to treat them without causing any stress. That said, it doesn't always work. Subscribe if you love animals.